wandered lost with nowhere to confide. A heavy heart, a weary soul, lost in the world beyond control. But then your light, it broke on through, a gentle grace forever true. Thank you, Lord, for loving me and setting my spirit free. I stumbled blind and often fell, bound by sin, a living hell. My broken dreams, scattered and torn, a future